For creation of HR internal bot, first we need to go to the this create action. From this create action, we will create a new agent. It will take some time for the creating the interface for our copilot. Then it will appear like start building your agent, and it will give us the copilot some greeting information, and we can simply click on continue. We can create, and here we also have some of the options like restart, update agent language, and if you want to cancel, you can cancel it from here as well. And we have some advanced section as well. So in which solution we have to create this agent, so here we will get the information, so you can create the solutions. Okay, so I using here Ravindra 2025 solution. Schema name is, we can change here. Okay, let's change it HR chatbot, and we can be click on the update. So now our chatbot is creating first interface. It takes some time, so let wait for couple of seconds. So it is done now. Let's we click on the continue here. Now our agent canvas is landed here. We can be use the agent name here. Okay, by click on this edit icon, we can provide the name here. So let's I give here HR chat bot. Then we you can provide the description for your chatbot here. Let's we use the description to our chatbot. So I will take the help of here you can take the help of GPT as well to generate the description in simple words. Then we have the instructions. Instruction means how your chatbot should behave. Okay, which point it should avoid, like talking about military xyz things. Okay, so you can be mentioned like this: our chatbot should avoid to talk and only talk with these following points. So I just here type here. Okay, instructions simply. So what instructions I simply given. Okay, this is a virtual HR assistant bot. Okay, this is designed to help you with common questions about leave policies, attendance, payroll, reimbursement. So this information you can provide here. Then we have the knowledge part. We also use here allow the AI use to use the general knowledge that is available on the public, and we are turning off the web search. Okay, we have to make this internal chatbot, so our only company policies can bot search and perform the actions here. We need to change the name of our agent here. I not save. Okay, let's I provide the description first. Okay, and let's use the name here HR. So here I simply provided the name here HR enter chatbot and saving this. Last time not save, this time save this. Then we have the knowledge section here. Okay, to add the knowledge, simply click on the add knowledge option here. You can be provide the knowledge here. So let's we, if you have any document that is available with you can simply use the upload option and upload document from here. This is one of the option. And also you can be use the SharePoint as a document library. Okay, let's I go to my SharePoint. Okay, so this is a internal team site. Okay, that I have created and simply uploaded the three documents here. So by simply using this 9 dot, you can be navigate to the your SharePoint here from this top of 9 dot, and just copy the URL and paste it here. Click on the add option. Add. So we are added successfully our site name, and we can simply click on the add option here. So our bot will go and search in this site and provide us the correct answers here. So this is the first step. Then we have the topics here. So in the topic section, we have the four ones only: goodbye, greetings, start, or thank you. If any extra you able to see there, just disable this, or you can select delete those topics. That topics we not needed, so you can delete. Then we have the system one. So whenever conversation start, okay, this is giving this information: hello, I am agent to virtual assistant. Okay, so this we need to edit. So for that purpose we edit our first message. Okay, that is conversation start. Let's I click on here, let I zoom it, and let's I delete this entire thing. Okay, and I will use here simple greeting message that will help our users to understand. You can take the ChatGPT help to get these greetings and other information. So I done here. Okay. Now I'm publishing my chatbot. I not updated security and other things. We are seeing this in our upcoming videos. Okay, so after publishing, to just showcase you this message is changing. Okay, like our newly chatbot, so that's why publishing the agent, so you can see our starting greeting message. We have the refresh icon as well here. You can use this and test this as well. So let's I refresh this. Now it is connecting, and here you can be see this is our started greeting message. Now we will go to the settings. In the settings, we are using the generative AI in this conversation. We are turning on this, and also we have the use deep reasoning model. If you have the premium capacity available with you, can turn on this. Okay, if not, then you can turn off this. For now I just turning on because I have the capacity. I turning on, so it will give more precise results. Okay, I simply turn on. It is taking, okay, it's saved now. Then we have some basic information about agent. If you have to add the icon, so let's we go and search on web. Okay, yeah, chat bot icon, and let's take one simple image. Okay, so let's we take the, I save this image successfully. Now I utilizing this image to change the icon of our agent in the downloads. So now I successfully updated the icon here. So click on the save here. In our next video we will provide the security here. Okay, so our internal employees can only able to access here. Authentication we will use the manually here. Okay, here we will provide the client id, url, tenant id, and other things. This we will see in our upcoming video, friends. Thank you. Keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring. Have a nice day.